Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of this Anker wireless phone charger. So nonetheless, let's go right ahead and take a look. So here we have the Anker wireless charger. So this is basically the front of the box. This is the side right here. And we have the back of the box. And we have basically the PowerWave stand, model A2524. Wireless charger. So yeah, let's go right ahead and open this puppy up. Oh, here we go. All right, here. Unboxed it incorrectly. All right, well, that's fine. All right, so let's see what we got. So it looks like we have probably some documentation here. Okay, a little quick setup guide. Anker Fast Live More, or Live More, I should say. All right, some sort of, yeah, this is some instructions, additional instructions here. So here's the charger. And for, before I actually take this out, I believe this model does not have a power brick. I do not know if it actually comes with a wire. So let's take a look. It does come with a wire. There it is. So here we have the wireless charger. Okay, there we go. So not bad. Let's see. So it has so the input for the charge is a micro USB. I mean the construction is plastic. I wasn't thinking it was gonna be some sort of metal or aluminum. So this is plastic, but nonetheless it's good. I mean, perfect. So here we have the charger, and we do have the micro USB. There we go. So that is the unboxing of this Anker wireless charger. And like always, I really do hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and we will catch you on the next one.